The ringing actually comes from the part of your inner ear that looks like a snail shell called the cochlea. Changes in the cochlear's nerve activity frequently lead to tinnitus. The most common cause of tinnitus is exposure to loud noise. Exposure to loud noise damages the sensory hair cells in the cochlea. Because different sensory cells are specific to different frequencies of sound, loud noises damage only those sensory hair cells that respond to frequencies specific to these loud noises. There is therefore loss of these sensory hair cells. These are the cells that pass on information to the brain for it to interpret the noise as a loud one. Since these cells are now dead, the brain receives less and less external stimuli around that specific frequency. Now this is the amazing part. Sensory hair cells have this special property of compensating their fellow dead cells. This means upon the death of these sensory cells, the activity of other sensory cells are increased, presenting some form of auditory hypersensitivity. As a result, even when sounds of lower frequencies are heard, these other sensory cells send exaggerated information to the brain that higher frequencies were also received. This causes the brain to interpret and force you to think you just heard a loud sound. This loud sound is the ringing, buzzing, or clicking sound we hear in our ear.